In the last video I said I'll have the next wheel up to that stage. So that's the first wheel I did, and over here this is the second wheel going on. I've got the oiler fitted into the hub. I've bent the first 10 spokes, got them going underneath. Now what I've got to do is just bend these top 10 spokes to go from that flange down in there up and over, and then I can drill and tap and get them bonded on. It's getting there. Right, that's one side of this wheel with the spokes bonded and screwed to the hub, and then the back plate bonded and screwed to the hub. Next, I'll take that off the jig tomorrow, turn it over and do the other spokes on the other side and put the front plate on. And then we'll all be ready for riveting. Right, this is all cured now overnight. I'm going to take this off of the jig, turn it over and do the other side. Right, so here we have one pair of rear wheels all ready for riveting. That'll be the next job. I'm very pleased how they look. Right, I'm just about to start riveting the spokes in. What I got is a bar across the bottom inside this clamp with my snap there. Now this snap is going to be on the outside. If you look, where is it there? There's a nice round head there. That's what I want on the outside of all of the rivets. So I'm poking the rivet in this way, turning it over to get the head of the rivet into the snap, and then using another snap on the inside. Now, because of the angle, I have tried setting it up where I'm putting the rivet in from this side, but it's the angle. If you have a look, it's quite and then it's getting the snap on the rivet properly, so we can only but try. Right, I'll just set the camera up on the stand and have a start. Right, I hope you can see okay. I've put a rivet in and I've got the rivet head in the snap that's in the vise. And I'm just putting a snap on the top there. Gently ribbing it over to a nice round head, which is lovely. That's lovely. Now I'll put the rivet in next to it. Beautiful. Just tap that in. Right. Hope you can see all right. Right, so and then snap that one down. Lovely. Right. Oh. There we are. That's better. There. That's better. You have to make sure you get that head into the snap underneath properly. Right. That's lovely, and that's two nice round rivets. I'll just show you. There, lovely. So I'll just carry on and get all the other rivets on. There's 80 in each wheel, so you don't really need me to video all of that. So I'll do the 2 middle ones in each spoke, turn it over and do the other side, and then take the little bolts out. Lovely. See, I've got some nice little round heads on the inside there. So that's all the middle rivets done, keeping a nice round head on the outside. Lovely. What I'll do now is I'll take the bolts out of all of the spokes and do the last lot on this side. Right, that's one side of the wheel riveted. So I've got 4 nice round rivet heads showing, which are lovely. I'm pleased with that. What I've got to do now, turn this one over, do the other spokes. Right, that's one wheel fully riveted. I've got nice, doing it the way I've done, I've managed to save the nice round heads on the rivets on the outside, look. So that's that side. Turn it over. That's this side. So that's one wheel done. I just thought I'd video one more rivet because looking through the footage, I've managed to get the camera up a bit higher. As you can see, I've got a rivet in there and I've got the head on the snap underneath. And it's just a case of getting the other snap on the top of the rivet here. Getting in a few taps. Nice lovely little round head in there. I'll do another one. I'll just clean the hole through. Lovely. Get the rivet. Tap the rivet in. Turn it over. Making sure that the rivet head is on the snap. And there we are. The other snap on there. Few little knocks. Nice little round head under there. Lovely. So turn it over. 2 nice round heads. Nothing to it. I'll just show you the 2 heads. There you are. I'll just carry on now and finish riveting up this wheel. Right, that's both wheels fully riveted up. It's a long-winded job, I think. I think it's one of the longest jobs on the traction engine. But that is 328 countersunk rivets to put the bands on for both wheels. 160 round-headed rivets for the spokes for both wheels. You really do need to make a jig. I mean, I made this one. It's a good job I made my little CNC machine ages ago to do little jobs like this. Right, that's where I'm going to leave you on this video. On the next video, I've got the phosphor bronze for the bearings. And then I've got the hubcaps to turn up. And also, it will be the oiler caps I'm going to make. So please subscribe to my channel and join me as I build a 2-inch scale Fowler Showman's traction engine.